Good morning, one and all. Volcanic activity is one of the major natural activity which is taking place on the surface of the earth. Volcano begins from the interior of the earth and the material comes on the surface of the earth. It spreads on the surface of the earth and it is forming some features. What type of material is coming at the time of volcanic activity that we are going to see today. At the time of volcanic activity, the material which is coming on the surface of the earth, on the basis of its characteristics, it is divided into three types. The first type of material is liquid material. It is the molten rock material. When the molten rock material is below the earth's surface, it is called magma. When this magma is coming on the surface of the earth and spreading the surrounding areas of the vent, it is called lava. This material is a mixture of molten rocks and minerals. Various types of minerals are in this liquid material. On the basis of percentage of silica, it is classified into two types. The lava is liquid, in which liquidity is more or less is totally depend on the amount of silica present in that liquid. On the basis of liquidity, first type in liquid material, that is acidic lava. Acidic lava contains higher percentage of silica. It has got high melting point. It is thick, fluid and move slowly. So acidic lava is a material or a liquid material which is coming at the time of volcanic activity. It is more thicker, so it is not spreading much all over the region. It is accumulating near the vent and it is creating the landforms, that is mountain, because the material is very thick. So the accumulation near the vent is increasing the height of material, and that is giving the shape, that is mountain. Many volcanic mountains are formed due to the volcanic activity. That lava is acidic lava. The second type is basic lava. It contains less percentage of silica. It has low melting point. It's more fluid and can flow over longer distances. So basic lava is more liquid. So when this type of lava is coming on the surface of the earth, it is spreading over a large area. It is giving a rise to the feature, that is plateau. So many volcanic plateaus are formed. That material is basic lava. One of the best example of basic lava is the Deccan Plateau of India, which is formed at the southern part of the country. The second type of material is solid material. It consists of dust particles and rock fragments. When the material is very fine, it is called volcanic dust. The small sized solid particles are called ash. The solid angular fragments are known as breccias. Sometimes the lava material thrown into the air solidifies into small fragments before falling on the earth surface. It is called volcanic bombs. So all types of solid material like rock fragments, sometimes the rocks are in the shape of fiery balls, like so they are called volcanic bombs. From small size up to a big volcanic rocks, which are volcanic bombs, different size particle is coming at the time of volcanic activity. So the fragments like ash, which are minute particles, up to the volcanic bombs, this solid material is coming on the surface of the earth at the time of volcanic activity. The ash which is coming at the time of volcanic activity is very much full of minerals and very fertile. So in the surrounding areas where this ash is spread on the surface of the earth, people are practicing agriculture and taking crops in it. Many a times this ash is spread in the atmosphere, but after the rainfall, this ash is coming with the rainwater and spreading the surrounding areas. So the solid particles are like ash, rock bombs, fragments, dust particles, volcanic bombs, etc. The third type of material, that is gaseous material. At the time of volcanic eruption, a dark cloud of smoke can be seen over the crater. On the basis of shape, cloud is called cauliflower cloud. Various inflammable gases are found in these clouds. These gases produce flames. So gases, different types of gases. Some gases are the dangerous for human beings. They are inflammable. Smoke is also coming at the time of volcanic activity. The water vapor particles spread into the atmosphere at higher altitude. Due to low temperature, the water vapor change into water droplets and they fall in the form of rainfall. So these types of gaseous material are also coming at the time of volcanic activity. So these are the three types of volcanic activity material which is coming at the time of volcanic activity. The first one is liquid material, in which on the percentage of silica it is again divided into two types, that is acid lava and basic lava. The second type, that is the solid material, and the third type of material, that is gaseous material. Thank you.